So if you're like me and you like to try to reuse certain things when they're actually worth reusing, you might find yourself working with an old chassis, but that old chassis has a bunch of shit on it you don't need. So you have to deal with all these big fat fucking rivets that are a pain in the dick to get out. I'm just gonna make a quick video showing you how I get them out. It is by no means the best way or the correct way. It is simply the way that I do it, and it works for me and the tools that I have. And maybe some part of this will help you, maybe some part of it won't. But hey, I'm making a video anyway. Alright, real simple video showing how I take these things apart. At least using the tools I have. I start with a little die grinder, slit these right in half. Alright, after that, I use this little pneumatic hammer with a chisel bit. Sometimes it's easier, sometimes it's harder. Chisel bit needs to get sharpened, but it wears out super fast. Take a second to clean this up. I don't want any material sticking out that might get in the way when I'm punching it through. And I'll use a little center punch. Punch the center, or at least close to it. There. Start with a tiny drill. Get a little lube on there. A little lube on the drill. I don't drill all the way through. I just try to get through the thickness of this and through the thickness of this. That way when I punch it, it comes out real easy. That's pretty close. That's usually the hardest part. And I'll step up in drill size. Now it cuts a lot easier. Drill it a little bit bigger. I want to make sure I drill all the way down to where the last one went. Drill it one more time. Yeah, getting tall. Harbor Freight Gold.
Yeah, you gotta keep adding oil.
Yeah. All right, now Pops right out. Ta-da!